Hello children, how are you? Hope you all must be enjoying the lockdown. Well, from today we will start with the studies, and the first lesson that we are going to learn is lesson 2, that is number system from your new book Logics. Keeping in mind that some of you might not be able to purchase the book due to sudden lockdown, I already uploaded the PDF of lesson 2 from the book so that you can use it. So children, the first question comes in mind is what is number system? So the definition of number system is you can say number system is defined as a system to represent the numbers in different ways using different symbols to represent numbers. There are mainly 4 types of number systems. And these are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So beginning with decimal number system, what is decimal number system? It is the number system that we use in our day-to-day life. The numbers that we use are in this category. It consists of 10 different symbols that are beginning from 0 to 9, that are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9. And since there are 10 different symbols that are being used in this system, so it is also called base 10 system. So any number in this system can be represented as, like you can see on the screen, let us take a number 235. 235 is a number that is 235. You can write this number as 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 and 5 into 10 to the power 0. So this here you can see 2, 3 and 5. These are the face values of the numbers that are given in this number 235. 2 is at the position 100 and 3 is at the position tens, and 5 is at the position ones. So whenever you are writing this number, you can see that 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 1 and 10 to the power 0. So power are basically the places of the numbers represented in the number 235. Like 5 is at the place 0th place, so its power of 10 is 0, and 3 at 1's place, so it is represented as 10 to the power 1, and 2 is at the place of 2 is 2, so it is given here 10 to the power 2. So children, when you solve this equation like 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 and 5 into 10 to the power 0, it will be 2 into 100, 3 into 10 and 5 into 1. Why 1? Because 10 to the power 0 becomes 1. So after solving it, you can see the result is 235. Means the number in decimal 235 can be represented in this format, in the given format that you can see on the screen. Another example is 73. So the 73 can be represented as 7 into 10 to the power 1 plus 3 into 10 to the power 0, and after solving the equation you will find the number 73, that is also the decimal number. Now the second number system is called binary number system. Binary means 2, means in this number system there are 2 symbols used, that are 0 and 1. Since there are only 2 symbols, so it is called base 2 system. Means any number that you want to represent in binary number system can be represented only using zeros and ones. So let us take an example. As you can see on the screen, it is 1 0 and 2. I have written here 2 means it is base 2. In this number I have written here 1 0 and base 2, means it is binary number. And you can write this binary number as 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. Here 1 is the number or the digit that is itself in the number, and it is multiplied by 2. 2 means it is base 2, means this is the binary number, and power 1 means it is the place of the digit 1, and we are adding 0 into 2 to the power 0. Again 0 is the number that is present in the number itself, and it is multiplied by 2 to the power 0, and again 2 is the base and 0 is the position of that particular digit. So after solving it, you can see that 1 into 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 0 becomes 0, and the result is 2. As you can see, this 2 I have written here base 10, means 10 is equivalent to 2 in decimal number system, means I have converted one binary number that is 10 to a decimal number that is 2. Well, taking another example, it is 101. The second one is 101. It is a binary number, and to solve it, just use the previous example. It becomes 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 and 1 into 2 to the power 0. So 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4, and 0 multiplied by anything becomes 0, and 2 to the power 0 becomes 1. So I have written here 1 into 1. So now it comes 4 plus 0 plus 1, that is 5 in decimal, means 101 in binary number system becomes 5 in decimal number. Now coming to the next number system, that is octal number system. In octal number system, there are, octal means 8. It has 8 different symbols to represent any number in octal number system, and these symbols are beginning from 0 to 7, means there are total 8 symbols that are used in this number system. It is called base 8 system. Why? Because it contains 8 different symbols to represent any number. Let us take an example. Suppose the number is 35 in octal. I have written here 35 and after the bracket written 8. 8 means it represents octal number system, means 35 is octal number. Now since you know the base is 8, so I have written here 3 into 8 to the power 1 plus 5 into 8 to the power 0. And again the same thing like in previous examples, 5 is at the 0th position and 3 is at the first position. So the power of 3 into 8 to the power 1 means 1 is the power, that is place of 3, and 5 into 8 to the power 0. Why 0? Because 5 is at the 0th position. Now after solving it, 3 into 8 to the power 1 becomes 8 and 8 to the power 0 becomes 1. So it is 3 into 8 plus 5 into 1. That is, after solving we can see 24 plus 5 and it becomes 29 in decimal number. Means the octal number 35 represents 29 in decimal number system. Means octal 35 is equivalent to 29 in decimal number. Taking another example, it is 123 in octal number. So in 123, 1 is at second position, 2 is at first position and 3 is at 0th position. Now coming to solve it, 1 into 8 to the power 2 plus 2 into 8 to the power 1 plus 3 into 8 to the power 0. 8 8 is 64 plus 2 into 8 plus again 3 into 1. Why 1? Because 8 to the power 0 becomes 1. It is equal to 64 plus 16 plus 3 and it becomes 83. After solving it, you can find the result is 83. 83 is decimal number, means we have converted 123 octal number into decimal number and it comes 83. Now fourth and last number system is hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system there are 16 different symbols that are beginning from 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and from A to F. A represents for 10, B, C, D, E, F, F for 15. Got it? Means there are 16 symbols, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and for 10 we use A, for 11 we use B, and for 12 we use C, and so on, and the last number is F, that is 15. So it is, since there are 16 symbols, so it is called base 16 system. Means whenever you solve the number, you have to take base as 16. Like in example, the first example is 2C. 2C is a number in hexadecimal number system. Look, I have written here 2C, and after the bracket I have written here 16. Why 16? Because 16 is the base. It shows that the number is hexadecimal number. So 2C can be written as 2 into 16 to the power 1 plus C into 16 to the power 0. Here in this 16 represents the base of the number system, and 2 and C, these are the different digits. So 16 to the power 1 is, it comes 16, and C, and as I told you that C represents after A represents 10, B represents 11, and C represents 12. So the value of C is 12. So we have to use C as 12 in the equation. So after solving is 2 into 16 plus 12 into 1. 1 means it is 16 to the power 0. So any numbers power 0 represents 1. So 16 to the 32 and 12 into 1, 12 1 ja 12. So after adding it, you can find the decimal number, and it is 44. Means we have converted one hexadecimal number into decimal number. The hexadecimal number is 2C, and after converting it to decimal number, the equivalent decimal number of 2C is 44. In the same way, taking another example, suppose the number is 3A5. It is another hexadecimal number, 3A5. Here 3 is at second position, A is at first position, and 5 is at 0th position, and the base is 16. So expanding this, it can be written, the number can be written as 3 into 16 to the power 2 plus A into 16 to the power 1 plus 5 into 16 to the power 0. And as you know, A represents 10 in number system. In this number system, value of A is 10, 1 0 10. So we will write, in place of A we will write here 10 into 16. So it becomes 3 into 256. 256 is 16 to the power 2 is, it becomes 256. 16 into 16. And 10 into 16 plus 5 into 1. So after solving it, you can see 3 into 256, it becomes 768. 10 into 16, it is 160. And 5 into 1 is 5. So the result is 933 in decimal number. Means this is 933 is the decimal number, and it is result of the octal number 3A5. Means 3A5 hexadecimal number is equivalent to the 933 decimal number. So children, in this lesson I have told you about the number system, what is number system, and there are how many types of number system, and in different type of number system I have told you how to convert one number system to another number system. Like in this binary number system, I have explained how to convert a binary number to decimal number. Okay, and in octal number system I have told you how to convert an octal number to decimal number, and in hexadecimal number system I told you how to convert any hexadecimal number into decimal number system. So That's it for today's lesson, and in the next lesson I will tell you how to convert any decimal number into binary number. One request, children, please go through the lesson that I have provided you in your book, and it will be helpful for you about the syllabus, that what you have to study. Okay, thank you.